You may have heard about constraints in Rive, but let me show you one thing that you can do better with constraints, and that is moving around a hitbox to make your character do this. So check it out. Right here, we've got this this little character. If we hit play, so check this out. When I move him around, I'm just clicking on the screen, right? And he's moving left and right. But if you look really close, when you click on the left, he leans, right? And when you click on the right, he leans left. And then he does a little wobble. Now, this happens because of this area right here. Again, we are in the state machine. And what happens is when I click on the left of him, it runs this left animation timeline. When I click on the right, it runs the right animation timeline. So left, right, left, right. So how does this happen? How does it know what is the left and what is the right? And that's where constraints come in. So let me show you. This is really cool. So I've got a button right and a button left. If you look right here in my hierarchy, I've got a button left, button right. When I unhide these, you can see that I've got them as two different colors. I've got them a little bit see-through so that you can see what's underneath them. Totally not necessary, but that's the way I have it. When I click on the left and you see him move over a little bit, you can see that these two boxes go with him. Now, under constraints, I'm on the button left. And if I click on this right here, you can see that it is constrained to the flame body. So back to the animate, when I click on the left or the right, and I just had him hide, but when I click to the left or to the right, it enacts this left or right timeline. Constraints can be your friend. Constraints can totally transform your interactive animation.